How to download and install 7-Zip on Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to download and install 7-Zip on your Windows 10 or 11, then you just need to simply go with the search and search for 7-zip.org and hit the enter, and it will take you to this kind of interface where you just need to simply go with the download option, which is here on the left. And once you go with downloads, now here you need to choose the type of installer and the version that you would like to download. So for example, I'll be choosing Windows 34-bit. So simply click on download, which is here on the left, and it will start the download process. It might take some time depending on some seconds or a few minutes. And once it's downloaded, you just need to simply go with open and then go with yes. And here you will have this kind of interface where you can simply choose the location or the destination folder. So for example, I'll be choosing something like this and then go with OK and click on install. And now it has been installed. Right. Once it's done, you want to click on the close. And once it's done, now you just need to simply go with the application which we have just installed. We have that right here. So you just need to simply right click on it. And once you right click on it, you need to go with open. So right click on it and then go with show more options. And here you will have 7-Zip. Go with 7-Zip and then go with add to archive. And here you can simply do some settings if you want to, or you can also simply enter the password and encrypt this file. And once you've done all of these settings, you just need to simply go with OK, and it will start compressing that file. So just wait for some time. So once you've archived, now here you will get this kind of interface, right? So mine looks like this. It might look different on yours. So what you need to do is right click on this file, and then you need to go with show more options and then go with 7-Zip and go with extract files. You can get a few extraction options right here. You can simply go with password if you want to add the password, and if you're happy with the settings, then click on OK. And then the contents will be extracted to a folder where if you simply open up the folder, then we will have all of the text documents which we have just extracted. So that's how you can download and install 7-Zip on Windows 10 or 11. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.